Ultralight Flex is the most versatile tabletop display series on the market today. From one-on-one sales presentations, small group meetings, recruiting events, conferences, or regional trade shows, Ultralight Flex has you covered. All are lightweight, easy to carry, quick to set up, and simple to update, and all include a lifetime guarantee and are made in America. All Ultralight Flex displays come with a rigid ABS exterior on 2 panels. All have Velcro-compatible interior fabric. Updating and replacing graphics is fast, inexpensive, and keeps your message current and your brand fresh. The graphic panels are attached using Velcro and are quickly and easily updated to meet all your presentation needs. In a matter of seconds, you can reconfigure your display based on your meeting size or space limitations. An optional header can be added to the top of any display panel. Our Ultralight Flex series is lightweight and offers you the flexibility you need for all your marketing events. Get more use out of your tabletop display than ever before by adding or subtracting a panel at any time. Whatever type of event, audience size, or space limitations you run into, Ultralight Flex has you covered. However, we offer panels in any size, and I do mean any size. The exterior is a rigid ABS plastic that protects your display and graphics during transport. The canvas carrying bags are made of a waterproof material. The full side pockets can hold a header, table cover, and there's plenty of room for extra graphics. The canvas bag allows for hands-free carrying of your entire display kit. For shipping and storage, all displays package into our heavy-duty corrugated boxes that include straps and handle with male and female buckles for easy carrying to and from your events.